I came to Audacity decades ago for its simplicity, based on the work I normally do. I stayed for the rhythm, but rhythm too evolves. Audacity was never flashy, but it listened. That's why I stayed. It's the reason I never fully moved to Reaper, even after years of romancing its possibilities. For over 20 years, Audacity has been my quiet companion for recording teaching materials, a sturdy, unassuming tool, like a well-worn notebook for sound. No distractions, no assumptions, just clarity and control. But now Audacity is changing. Version 4 brings ripple editing, clip grouping, real-time effects. It's powerful, it's modern. It's not the same. Or I should say, but it's not the same. I don't resist change. I honor rhythm. But the rhythm that worked for me in Audacity, minimal, intentional, focused, may no longer live here. So I may finally cross over to Reaper, which I sometimes use for my guitar tracks. Not to abandon the past, but to carry its essence forward, to find a new ritual, one that still listens between the lines. Trying to cater to everyone is a vast field. Staying in each application is very, very difficult in today's fast marketing. I've seen it before with Screencast-O-Matic, where simplicity was king, until it wasn't. It may be happening now with Audacity, and Reaper, quietly, patiently, is beginning to look like the promised land. Let's hope for the best.